show the whole world what we're all about. We're the girls with a passion for fashion. Ooh, BRATZ, we'll always be there for each other. Ooh, BRATZ, yeah. Style and how we feel, talking about best friends. Together we can do anything. Gotta plan the dream, take a chance and believe, make it real.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the BRATZ DOLL challenge with a special guest. Come on! My best friend Laurel! What's up? Okay, so she will be transforming me into this BRATZ doll right here. I don't know about you guys, but I grew up playing with BRATZ dolls. I don't have like that good of memory with like playing with them because I feel like it was a little before my time.
I wasn't allowed to play with BRATZ dolls because my mom was like, they're too sexual.
I still really want to do this challenge, and Laurel is amazing at makeup. Like, she's so talented, so I really want her to transform me into a BRATZ doll. If you guys want to follow her on Instagram, this is her Instagram handle right here. She has a makeup account, so definitely go follow her. We're also both going to Playlist Live Orlando, so if you see us there, definitely say hi. We can talk, get a picture, you know, whatever you want.
Yeah, if you want a picture with me, like, I'll definitely take a picture with you.
And also follow me on Instagram, which is just my name, at Courtney Marmo. And if you are not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Let's get started!
Let's go, guys! Which way are you going?
Yeah, she's gonna also kind of explain what she's doing. Most of this is gonna be time-lapse.
I'm using Anastasia Brow Definer. That's what I use when I do my own makeup.
I use the NYX brow pencil, and I think it's like $12 or $13. I get it out at Target. I highly recommend that one. It's so good.
Okay, I'm about to start on the eyes. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime the eyes with a concealer. I like to put a lot of this on because it really creates, what's it called?
Like a...
Just a...
and also we're
base.
using the James Charles palette, and don't you have to prime your eyelids to use his eyeshadows?
Yeah, technically you're not supposed to use concealer to prime. Every time that I've used his palette, it's been fine.
Mm-hmm. If only they knew like what we just went through.
I know. We had to go to so many places to buy all these different products I had forgotten at my house because I had to bring all my stuff over here.
So we go to Walmart and we get the concealer and liquid eyeliner. The lady at the checkout charges us twice for the concealer, which I didn't realize she did, because it ended up being over $20, and I'm like, that's kind of expensive for two things.
Yeah, we realized that it was kind of expensive. I didn't really notice.
Then after I already paid for it, I realized she charged me for two concealers, which how can you not see that? Like, pay attention. So I had to go to customer service, get my money back in cash when I really just wanted it back on my card, but it's a debit card, so I guess you can't do that. So then we get to the car, we're driving away, and Laurel is looking at the liquid eyeliner. And I see her face, and it does not look good.
That's what
and she picked up the blue color! Not black, she picked up blue. So now I'm gonna have
in my defense, they literally looked you're already gonna have blue eyes. So here's my James Charles palette. I've used it, obviously.
It's beautiful.
So I'm gonna be using this one. I'm pretty sure that one's Cola. This lighter blue above it, I could not tell you what name it was. This really pretty shimmery blue right here, and then also the black to create like a darker blue in the outer crease. Also, I got this other one for Christmas. It's
ColourPop by...
Yeah, I'm literally just using one shade in this one, so I'm not even going to show it because people care more about James Charles than Bretman Rock. So I'm going to start by putting this in the outer V, and also just a warning, this is going to look really weird until it's all the way done.
But trust me, it turns out so good. She needs to start a YouTube channel. Everyone comment down below that she needs to start a YouTube channel. I don't really have the time. Yeah,
and
you don't have like equipment.
Yeah.
You got me going crazy.
So as you guys can see, I straightened my hair. I really never put heat on my hair just because I don't want it to be damaged and I want it to be as healthy as possible. But obviously the BRATZ doll has straight hair. It's so weird seeing myself with straight hair, and my hair is so long. You'll see it later in the video. You can't see now. My hair almost touches my butt. Like, that's how long it is. And I can't wait to chop it off. Yeah, I may or may not be doing a video related to that, so stay tuned for that. You haven't had long hair for literally like, is it 5 years?
Yeah, it's been a really long time. Yeah, we've been friends for...
Well, since 6th grade.
Yeah.
And I remember in middle school, you were not easy to be friends with.
It was also because, like, we met at the church that we used to... I still go to the church. Courtney doesn't go to the church anymore. But we met there. I mean, they were pretty new to the church, too, actually.
Yeah, this is when we, like, moved to Florida.
Yeah.
Which is where we are now.
And so they technically were at the church before I was, but
True.
when I came in, they weren't there for that much longer, but it was like they already had friends. It was really hard for me to make friends. I never wanted to go to church just because like I felt like I didn't have any friends.
That's such a hard time, like going somewhere new.
Yeah.
Trying to find new friends. I hated that so much.
I remember the first time we like actually hung out. I'm pretty sure it was you that invited me over. When I first came over, you and Katie like started fighting over like having time with me.
Wait,
and it was so awkward. So awkward because like you invited me over, but Katie also wanted to hang out. So I was like hanging out with Katie also. But then you got mad.
Okay, I don't want this video to be super long, so I think I'm gonna cut it for right now until like we have more of the eyeshadow on my lids.
Oh, this girl coming, she's all up on me, on the brain.
I look so good, oh my gosh.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah, it's 11:45 and we have not eaten all day. At least I haven't. She had an apple. Yeah, I'm trying to be skinny for this video.
Skinny!
So now we're gonna do foundation. I'm just using my Peach Perfect. This is a really good foundation, so we're gonna use this.
Okay, let's go. Let's do this thing.
Oh my gosh, I don't even use that much. Wait.
Well, it's full coverage.
That frame and that red dress. Oh, this lady is my bad strawberry face. Girl, you know your curls on board. You can have any man that...
Oh, that's a really good foundation. I've been using it wrong the whole time.
Do you have a concealer brush?
Nope. I don't really use concealer. You know what's stuck in my head?
What?
From the James Charles video where he bakes a cake. That song he was singing from Lazy Town. Do you know that song?
I remember he was
It's a
singing
cake
a
to
song.
bake a perfect cake.
It's a piece of cake to bake a pretty cake. If the way is hazy, gotta do the cooking by the book. No, you can't be lazy.
I didn't realize that's what it was.
Yeah. Well, he didn't say it was from Lazy Town, but that's why he put the wig on. That pink wig, the bob, because that's Lazy Town.
That's so funny.
Immediately when he started singing that, I'm like, I know that from somewhere. And then I looked it up and it said it was from Lazy Town. I know BRATZ used to make music, but I honestly don't know any of the songs. I've never really heard of any of them except this one song. I'm gonna actually play it on YouTube. This is the only song I know.
Oh no.
That you want, why you always gotta call my phone.
I look so washed out. I don't know if it's picking up. Flashback Mary.
Alright.
We're BRATZ, space angels.
Okay. The bag I need is your beauty blender.
Bought that at Target, 2 of them, for like $12, $13. And then I go to TJ Maxx.
Yeah.
They have a 4
like
set
For $10.
$10.
Yeah, I got mine at TJ Maxx.
I'm mad. I'm scared.
It looks so good!
I have a bronzer. This is the one I use by Too Faced, and it is lighter because I am fair skin. Like, her face isn't even bronzed, but obviously I want to add color to my face, so I do want to do this part.
Yeah, it's mostly in her cheeks.
So I have a story to tell you guys about what happened last night. It's the weirdest thing. Last night, I was sleeping, and I get woken up by this little sound of what do you call them?
Thumbtack.
But that's not what I call them.
I don't know what you call them then.
Fine, I'm just gonna say thumbtack. Basically, I have a tapestry in my room and I pin them up against the wall with a thumbtack. I hear something fall in my room and I didn't know what it was at first, so it woke me up and I was like half asleep. I really didn't want to check to see like what it was, because it was you could tell like it was a tiny little thing. So I get up, like I'm asleep and awake at the same time, and I go check my phone and I look at the time and it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Exactly 3 o'clock in the morning. If you guys don't know what that means, that is the devil's hour. I find out what it is because I get up from my bed because I realized, well, I kind of do have to go to the bathroom. So I went to go to the bathroom, and when I came back, my tapestry, like, it wasn't attached to the wall anymore. It was moving like with the air blowing. and I realized what woke me up was a little thumbtack. A thumbtack woke me up from my deep sleep. And it was 3 a.m. exactly in the morning. Like, what? How does that even happen? I'm really not that light of a sleeper. At least I thought, but a freaking thumbtack woke me up. So.
Hey, well, let's go. Just don't think that.
Alright, I'm about to do her nose contour because the Bratz nose, they don't even have a nose.
But I'm scared because my nose, I don't like my nose and it's big and pointy. So I don't think it's gonna look good. It's small. When I do it, I make it look big. Literally how? Gratitude. Hungry? Yep. Does anyone burp when they're hungry? Because I do all the time. Apparently that's not normal. Wow, I'm insecure now.
Why?
Because my nose looks better. It looks better like this.
I love doing the highlight on the nose. It looks so cute. Little button nose.
Wow.
Okay, let me see.
So next, I think we're gonna do eyelashes. I bought these, which I kind of feel guilty for buying them because they're made out of mink hair, which is an animal if you don't know. Usually that's what they use to make eyelashes, which is really sad. We're gonna use these. I got them from Target. They were like $13, kind of expensive, but this is the best mascara I've ever used. It's by Milk Makeup. It's the Kush mascara. Speaking of eyelashes, my eyelashes have been growing a lot recently, and I kind of do have naturally long eyelashes, but the reason why I don't think so is because they're blonde, so you can't really see them. But I've been using this lash serum. It's by XLash, and they actually sent me it to try out. I've been using it for about like 4 weeks now. This is it right here, and it's supposed to add more volume and length to your lashes, and I've definitely noticed a difference. So if you guys are looking for a lash serum, if you don't know which one to buy, I definitely recommend this one, and it's not too pricey. Yeah, I've been using this. It's really good. They also sent me their waterproof mascara, which I personally don't really like waterproof mascara, but if you are that person that only wears waterproof, I definitely recommend that one because it stayed on all day. If you guys want to check this out, I'll have it linked down below. I really love this and definitely will be using it again.
Whoa. Isn't that crazy?
I don't know how people wear these though, because it's not comfortable.
It's not.
I literally, it feels like I'm wearing a hat. I really need a mirror. Here is almost the finished look. Now we're gonna move on to the lips. So yesterday I went to Target and I bought the only blue lipstick that I could really find, which was by NYX, and this is the Liquid Suede in Jet Blue. It is really pretty. I know on the BRATZ doll it is a lighter shade of blue. Wow, this looks good. Okay guys, so we are done with the makeup. Laurel did such a good job. Like, I feel like I don't even look like myself right now. So now I'm going to get dressed. I don't have exactly what she was wearing, but I do own a denim jacket and a denim skirt. And the top, it was kind of hard to find something that I own that's like that. But I'm just gonna try to make it work, so I'm gonna get dressed and then we're gonna take pictures. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, I know you can't really see me right now, but for my outfit, this is my sister's top, and then I just am wearing this denim skirt, and then this is the denim jacket I will be wearing. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Okay, we're gonna take pictures now.
Now, just bring that jacket over a little bit. So that, yeah, there you go. That's fine. Her toes. Look at her toes!
So that is going to be the end to this challenge. I really hope you enjoyed watching. It was so much fun to film. And big shout out to Laurel for helping me with this look. Don't forget to follow her on Instagram because she's so talented. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already. And if you want to see the pictures that we tried to recreate, then go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be posting them over there. And I think that is all, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! One more thing I forgot to mention. So there's actually 2 people helping me out with this video, Laurel and also my sister, Nicole! So she is a photographer, and she's the one that's taking the pictures, and they're turning out so good so far. So definitely go follow Nicole. What's your Instagram?
At Renee Studios.
So definitely hit her up if you want your pictures.
My name is spelled weird.
Yeah, I will put it on the screen right here. Please go support my sister. If you ever want her to take your pictures, hit her up. She definitely would. And it's free! Just kidding, it's not free. Okay, bye.
Bloopers.
You guys, welcome back to my channel.
I'm glad she's a lizard. That's why I'm so scared.
Yeah, come on. There's a voice inside.
Okay, that video we filmed together, the accent challenge, do you remember that?
Yeah.
You literally were eating an apple during the video too.
I'm actually scared.
And now you're eating an apple.
I didn't even think about that.
Shook.
Come with me on this ride. Sail with me